What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. Some news about Lyft's rental program. Before we jump into this, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the best app to simply make more money on the road. It gets you guaranteed earnings in your market, which is phenomenal. It's a feature that we've all wanted for a long time. It's gonna be based off the hours you drive and the market you're in, but just having that sense of security that you have a set amount you will make that day no matter what, that's a pretty good feature in my eyes. It's got a lot of other stuff packed into the app as well, and on top of that, if you sign up using our link in the description below, you will get 15 bucks. Throw it in your gas tank, get on the road, turn on Solo, let's dive in. So the Lyft Express program is down and out. And thank God, because I did that for a while and I could swear to you it was a scam. No, I'm kidding. It wasn't a scam, but I mean, holy cow. The amount of rides I had to give to get the rental costs down, I mean, it was like you had to drive like 60 hours a week. It wasn't horrible, but man, if you didn't drive full time, there was not a reason in the world you should use this. Had some good features, you got your maintenance and stuff covered, which was pretty nice, but ultimately at the end of the day, you know, it just cuts significantly into your earnings. We have decided to discontinue Lyft's first-party rentals business to focus on our best-in-class third-party rentals with Sixt and Hertz, spokeswoman Jody Seth said in a statement. This decision will ensure we continue to have national coverage and offer riders a more seamless booking experience. So now that the car rental side of their business is down, it'll cut about 60 jobs, adding to its labor shortage. The layoffs impact less than 2% of Lyft's roughly 4,600 total employee count and are concentrated within the rental unit. Lyft has said that it would slow hiring and trim expenses in parts of the company, which has been especially hard hit by a technology stock throughout this year. Its shares have lost more than 2/3 of their value in 2022. Pretty much same thing with Uber as well. The stock decline accelerated when the San Francisco-based company indicated it would be ramping up spending on driver incentives to cope with a persistent labor shortage. And we have seen those. You know, there's a lot of stuff they've offered. You know, they're even offering bonuses now for drivers that are trying to get back on the road. I believe we have a link for that. I'll leave it in the description. Which I'd never seen that before. And I actually utilized one of them because I hadn't driven in a couple of months. And I was like, you know what? That's not bad. I mean, it was a decent little incentive. So they're definitely trying everything they can, but yeah. Uber Technologies has fared relatively better with its shares down 43% this year. Uber Chief Executive Officer Dara whatever, never been able to say his name, said last month that the company is recession resistant and doesn't see a need for job cuts. But we do see a need to outsource everything we possibly can to other countries. Uber is all smoke and mirrors with every statement they release. Drives me crazy. I mean, I get it. It's just, you know, you gotta have good press, but at the same time, it mildly annoys me, every single thing they say. So anyways, no more Lyft Express rentals. You know, to be honest, it's like I said at the beginning, it's probably a good thing. Nobody should be driving that because that is borderline Ponzi scheme. Totally kidding, kind of. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Solo, linked in the description below. Get that free money, might as well. And I will talk to you guys soon.